Hi, this is Shivani. Basically, we belong to Punjab. So after coming Bangalore, we bought a new home here. घर ले लिया. आफ्टर दैट हमें लगा कि अब किचन इंटीरियर एंड ऑल ये सब शुरू करना है. सो व्हेन इंटीरियर का काम करना था तो इट मीन्स लाइक वेरी बिग बर्डन. सो हमने नेट पे सर्च किया तो वी केम टू नो अबाउट द मेबल कार्ड. सो वी डिस्कस विद एवरीथिंग विद द मेबल कार्ड, हाउ द थिंग विल गो ऑन. आई मीन वट एवर द थिंग्स आई वॉन्ट इन माई किचन, what are things like how I want to handle, I mean where I want to keep the things here. So these tandem drawers are very useful, like this above unit. So here I am keeping the masalas here. Water bottle unit that comes in modular kitchen. So I can keep here, I mean all the cup, all the sauce bottle, honey bottle, and one I have kept the oil also. So I mean see, this is a very less space. I can use it, and this is very soft touching. I can just use it and close it. It's very good for me. I mean see, you are just like as you can see this is a very small kitchen, but how it is I'm utilizing this is matter. So this is about the modular kitchen. I mean I'm using it. If there is a traditional kitchen, I'm not getting the water bottle. I have to keep water bottle and on my shelf. So shelf पे क्या है, सब कुछ cluttered हो जाता है. Water bottles भी हैं and all utensils भी हैं. So उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए ये unit है तो जिसको मैं utilize करती हूँ. It's very nice. Now come to the cutlery units. That is the main center point of our kitchen, like all the glasses, all the you can say katoris and spoons and all the जो भी हम लोग खाने पीने का सामान है, that comes in this. So first of all, first unit is first cutlery box is about the boxes. Okay, see, so like I can keep the forks here, I can keep the knives, and I can keep the spoons, and everything is here, and this is divided. This is not a cluttered. So I am not, it's not like that I'm not able to find where is a spoon, where is a cutlery, where is you can say nimbu nichodne wala and all that. So all the materials are very well organized, and this is all about the PVC. This is the PVC material. And second one is where I am placing all my katoris and all can say glasses and whatever the big material, like suppose gadbi and something glass and cups and all. So all the things are in the second unit. So this you can organize between, you can destroying all the materials. Even I don't find like it's a necessity for me, like I should destroying all the things. It's already organized very well, as you can see. So third unit is about plates units. So where I keep all the plates, there is a plate stand where all plates are standing properly. So I can lift each plate and keep properly. Unit, here is a ventilation also, so that smell and everything will go as soon as you put the dust and all that. Yeah, this is the breakfast counter, which is my favorite part of the kitchen. This is not only the breakfast counter, this is for me, you can say extra shelf. As you मैंने आपको भी किचन का सब बताया, like storage कैसा है and all that. In the summary अगर हम मेबल कैट की बात करें, first of all the designers. So designers में like अगर सबसे पहले हमने ये जो जितना भी मैंने किचन का हमारा बनाया है, first of all हमने एक डिज़ाइन 3D में बनाया था. It is done by Mabel Cart designer only. So really I was very surprised, even I am in IT, but first time I just saw like there's some designer which is making the 3D view in front of us. Whatever I am saying, मुझे यहाँ पे ये चाहिए, यहाँ पे ये चाहिए, तो वो हमारे सामने 3D view में उसी time within the 15-20 minutes he made it. I'm very surprised to see like how he is doing this design of the product quality. If I am saying suppose anything like whatever the product here it is, they are using, it is Century Ply 7 Note 8. It's a grade. So all the base units are of Century Ply. Even the above units are of MDF, but that are also Century and MDF. About the timing, if I talk about the timing, how many days they complete the work. They promise us to complete the work in 45 days, and as they promise, they keep their words also. They finish the work in exactly 45 days because मेरा गृह प्रवेश था तो मैंने बोला था कि मुझे proper बताओ 45 days means 45 days. They really completed the work in 44 days, and 45 days even I just आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू सी आई मीन हाउ माई किचन इज आई मीन लुकिंग. सो मेरा गृह प्रवेश बहुत अच्छा हुआ और आई एम थैंकफुल कि जो उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया उसे एक भी दिन ज़्यादा या कम नहीं किया, बिल्कुल प्रॉपर टाइम में इन्होंने डिलीवर किया. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट मेबल का टाइमिंग. आई मीन दे व्हाट दे प्रॉमिस दे कीप इट. एक तो एक्सेसरीज जो है वो भी सब पीवीसी मटेरियल की हैं. क्रॉकरी जितना भी इन्होंने कटलरी हमें यूनिट्स दिया है, टेंडम ड्रॉर्स दिए हैं, ऑल आर ऑफ पीवीसी हैटिक मटेरियल. आई मीन हमें परेशानी नहीं है. वारंटी कार्ड्स भी सब कुछ हमें साथ मिला है. आई वुड रिकमेंड इवन मेबल कार टू यू. आई मीन जस्ट ट्राई वंस, रियली यू विल लव इट. वट एवर you want, they will listen to you, they will understand you, they will understand your requirements according to that, according to your budget. They will just deliver your best. Yeah, thank you.